Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the signal bars indicator for MT4. This visual tool provides clear buy or sell signals directly on the chart by coloring price bars based on market conditions and trend direction. In this video, you will see how the bar coloring works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading rules are described. The signal bars MT4 indicator is designed to provide traders with clear and concise buy or sell signals directly on the charts by analyzing price action and market trends. It helps indicate when a currency pair is likely to experience an upward or downward movement through a color-coded system that changes bar colors based on market conditions. This visual representation can help traders make informed decisions faster, improving their chances of success by simplifying the decision-making process. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. We're about to allow DLL imports. So there we go. We have it installed on our chart. On the MT4 chart, the signal bars indicator colors the price bars to signal market direction, with green bars indicating a potential upward trend and red bars showing a potential downward trend. The color-coded system provides an instant visual cue, making it easy for traders to spot potential trades, especially during periods of high market volatility. Traders can quickly identify when the market is showing signs of a potential move in a specific direction without needing to analyze multiple indicators. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. We have quite a number of inputs. As you can see, have the show price, show extra details, show smaller size. We also have inputs for adjusting side to side, bar label color, comment label color. We also have the MACD, we have the RSI, the CCI, and the rest of that. You can also choose our preferred time frames. As for who is for, the signal bars indicator is suitable for traders who want a simple color-coded visual system that reduces the complexities of market analysis. Trading without clear signals can lead to confusion and delayed reactions, especially in the fast-paced Forex market. And this tool helps traders avoid the noise of fluctuating prices and focus on the most relevant signals. However, it is a visual signal tool only and does not execute trades, and it can be used in conjunction with other indicators for more comprehensive trading strategies. You can download the signal bars indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview highlights how the color-coded bar system can streamline trade signal identification and help traders execute decisions faster. If you like visual bar coloring indicators, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator tutorials.